Spain has a drinking culture problem, and that problem is sangria. Not because it's terrible, but because most tourists never get past it. Meanwhile, the real Spanish drink culture, the kind that's been going on for centuries, is happening a few streets away. Today, together with Freetour.com, here's a look at 4 Spanish cities where what's in the glass actually has a story, and where that story is still very much alive. The first stop is Logroño, the capital of La Rioja wine country, and the place to start if Rioja wine means anything. The region grows Tempranillo everywhere, from young light reds to long-aged reservas. But the real reason to come is Calle Laurel, a short street where almost every building is a bar with its own signature bite. The ritual is the same everywhere. Order a glass, get the snack, move on. Nobody sits down. A local walking tour here makes sense before the bar crawl begins. From La Rioja south to Andalusia, and to Jerez de la Frontera, the city that literally invented sherry. Walking between the cathedral and the Alcazar, large ancient doors appear with barrels piled up behind them. Those are bodegas, operating in the same locations for over 100 years. Most people decide sherry isn't for them after one glass of the wrong kind. But there are dry, nutty, and rich styles, all pairing differently with jamón or aged cheese. A local guide changes that impression completely, moving north and inland to León, which doesn't have famous vineyards or historic bodegas. What it has instead is arguably better for most travelers. Order a drink and food just arrives. No asking, no extra charge. The Barrio Húmedo is where this happens. Hundreds of bars in the old part of the city, each one bringing something different with every drink. Some bars have been serving the same signature tapa for decades. The good bars aren't always obvious from the outside, which is exactly where a walking tour earns its value. And the final stop goes further north still, to Oviedo, where the drink isn't wine at all. In 2024, Asturian cider culture was added to Spain's UNESCO Intangible Heritage List. The pouring ritual, called escanciar, is the first thing anyone notices. The bottle held above the head, the glass held low, the cider falling in one long, thin strand. Tradition says to drink it quickly. Calle Gascona, known as Cider Boulevard, is a full street of cider houses performing this ritual while serving Asturian food like cabrales cheese and grilled meats. 4 cities, 4 completely different things in the glass, and 4 ways that Spain embeds drinking into daily life rather than staging it for visitors. Spanish bar culture tends to confuse people at first. Why are the drinks so small? Why is there sawdust on the floor? A guidebook doesn't really answer those questions. That's where a local guide makes the difference, knowing which bars are the real ones, what the ritual actually means, and where to go next. Explore any of these cities through local-led walks and discover the stories behind the drinks, all at Freetour.com. Free your world with us.